In this video, which is reference to the first video for addition, I would like to repeat some of the basic concepts. You'll notice that this icon will let you print things out. We have rows 1 through 19, and we have column A, B, and C. Where the two come together is called a cell. This is A3 because the word question is in cell A3, column A, row 3. This is cell B3 because it's in column B and row 3. And you guessed it, this has to be cell C3. Same basic idea. This is in column C and row 3. Now, we said the word subtraction because basically that's what we're working on. And in here, you're just simply going to double click inside here and type in your name. Now, you'll notice that what we've done is we provided for you some answers. Here we have 10 minus 8. So you place your answer in here. 10 minus 8, the answer is, I'm going to hit the number 2 and hit my enter key or my return key, and it says great job. But why? Well, let's do one more so we can figure this out. Here we have, in this one, we have 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Great job. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Great job. Let's do one that's wrong. Let's have 19 minus 1 is equal to 12. And let's see what happens. Oh, it doesn't say great job. Why? And here's why. You'll notice that we are located in cell B7. This is cell B7, which is the answer to 19 minus 1. I'm going to click over here, double click inside, and it says in B7 the answer should be 18. If the answer is 18, you type in 18, it goes to the first section, great job. If it is incorrect, it goes to try again. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, we have a 12 here. We already know the answer is 18, so I hit my enter key. Now what's nice about this Excel program, it's relatively simple to do. You can change or alter any one of these that you'd like, and you can also print it out and turn it into your teacher. Now, let's look at this one right here. Here we have 16 minus 8. The answer is 8. I'm going to change this one and say, let's make it 30. Oops. 30 minus 8. And the answer should be 22, right? So, over here, this is cell B12, right? So I'm going to click in here, and it says in cell B12 we can't have the answer 8, so I'm going to click inside and change the answer to 22 and hit my enter key. Now, if I click in here and type in 22, great job. So you can modify and change these as you see. Now this is just simple subtraction. The video before was addition, but you'll see in the next videos that we can do many, many more. All right, well, thank you for watching this video.